Channel's performance night. Next up, True-Blooded Caviteños. At sabi nila, palaban daw sila. Sanay sa pagkanta ng mga church songs, pero ngayon pansamantalang magbabago ang image para patunayan na meron pa silang pwedeng ipakita sa atin. Ang Imusika Bella. Let's watch this.
Uplifting.
It's a double yes.
Eager kami talaga na sumali kasi dito sa Philippines, yung choral singing medyo hindi siya appreciated. So naisip namin na sumali sa Pilipinas Got Talent para tumaas yung appreciation sa choral music. Maengganyo yung maraming kabataan na mag-join din ng choirs. Talagang nag-prepare kami ng gusto kasi mas malaki yung tsansa niya na mas magustuhan ng tao kasi may sayaw na, may kanta pa. So parang yun yung kakaiba.
Breaking the stereotypical kind of choral group singing, ang agimat nila ay ang kanilang talent. From Cavite, let's give it up for Imusika Bella.
Come on, everybody dance, baby. Let the music take control. Let the rhythm move you. Take control. Let the music move you. Everybody, come on, come on. Everybody, come on, come on. Everybody, everybody, everybody dance now.
Imusika Bella. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. Let's all stay center. Good job, sir. Well, good job. Before anything else, let me ask you, na-mention na nga kanina na sanay kayo sa church songs. Di ba kayo nahirapan to change your genre na you had to make it a bit on the pop side, tapos may konting elements of stomping pa, dancing, and everything?
Yeah. Since ang Imusika Bella nga ay church choir, we used to sing talaga classical music and church music. Pero para sa Pilipinas Got Talent, pinag-isipan talaga naming maigi yung piyesang kakantahin namin at yung paraan para lalong ma-appreciate ng masa ang classical music.
Okay. Judges?
Boss, ikaw na mauna. No, ikaw. We give you the floor.
No, really, you really have brought the choral singing to a different level. I mean, aside from the charts and all this
New wave. Dating.
Yeah, ibang-iba.
Bago yung dating.
Kasi walang background music and it's only their combination of voices that really made up the whole ensemble, no? So, believe ako sa inyo, ang galing nyo.
Thank you. Go friendship, ikaw.
Magagaling yung mga boys. Medyo konting nag-sharp lang siya ng konti.
Yung girl?
Oo. Pero magaling kayo, especially the boys. Magaling. Medyo konting sharp lang.
Thank you.
Baka umiiyak yung mga girls dahil sa sinabi natin. Unlike kasi nung sa Baguio Metamorphosis na dati parang extra yung boys tapos nag-step up sila, gumaling sila talaga. this time around, parang, sorry girls, medyo naiwanan kayo nung husay ng mga lalaki. But overall, it was a very entertaining number.
Thank you very much, Musicapella. You never know, but still good job nonetheless. If you want them to be the first and only choral group na makapasok sa ating nalalapit na Grand Finals, all you have to remember is PGT space IMUS. One more time, it's PGT space IMUS. Musicapella, thank you very much, contestant, and send to 2331 for Globe TM Sun Cellular and Buy and Phone Extra subscribers, or 231 for Smart and Talk and Text for all networks.
Pag maramihan naman ang pinag-uusapan natin ay bulk texting yan. Bulk voting, just text PGT space bulk to 2366 for all networks. Meantime, for online and international voting, just log on to filipinasgottalent.abs-cbn.com.
Now you know, mga kapamilya, eto na.
Everybody dance now. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Musicapella Chamber. And send to 2331 for Globe TM Sun Cellular and Buy and Phone Extra subscribers, and 231 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers. How to vote in bulk? Text PGT space bulk to 2366 for all networks. For online and international voting, just log on to filipinasgottalent.abs-cbn.com.